Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use servo motor using Raspberry Pi. For that, you first need to set everything up on the breadboard and then write the required code in a PuTTY terminal. After doing these things, the breadboard will look like this. Now let's run our code. As you guys can see, as soon as the code starts running, servo motor comes to middle position. Now on pressing the left button, the servo motor goes towards left, and pressing the right button turns the motor towards right, and the LED on the breadboard also reacts to this. As the motor approaches towards left, LED becomes dim, and when it approaches towards right, LED becomes bright. Also, the LED starts blinking quickly when the servo motor is at its maximum towards right. Also, when the program stops running, the motor once again comes to middle position. Thank you for seeing this video. I will see you guys in the next one.